national process was started in 1968 and only one worker was there. My father was handling at that time. We were making aluminum, stainless steel and brass labels with the manual conventional process. We were facing so many challenges while going to online platform. Earlier when we decided to go for the online, at that time we were facing customization problem which was not available on our first online store, and we have started some fixed product on online, and at the time everywhere was asking for a different type of materials and different type of size and color scheme and everything, and at that time we were confusing that how to make that customization in our online store. After all, we got the solution from OnPrintShop, and now we on OnPrintShop you can get all options for the labels, like you can get size, material, then quantity, everything you can choose online, and you can place order online with your customization. We have added some template. Not only that, any customer can create online design to upload their pre-design, and everything is available online at OnPrintShop software. Earlier, it was a trend that everyone was coming to us personally to explain us what to make and how to make that labels and what is their requirement. But with online, we have added all the features on that OnPrintShop portal. Everybody can get anything online, and their confusion is already gone with our online platform. When we were not on the online platform, at that time our area was very limited, particularly Ahmedabad and Gujarat and nearby Gujarat, because to travel other state and remote area it was very costlier. Now we can do business all over the world, not only Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and we are not limited to India only, and it is really helpful for us when we were doing manual ordering. At the time we had marketing staff around 10%. We have reduced our fieldwork staff, and now we do not have any staff in the field. Only 2 marketing persons are in the factory, and only 2 persons are doing the marketing and collecting orders. We are getting so many online orders, just they are follow up that orders and pass on to our factory staff for further processing. So we have reduced the marketing staff because of online platform.
It is not important, but it is mandatory right now. If you want to grow the business, if you want to operate the business, it should be online, because the customer reach you are getting through online, and it's very easy for customer also, because they are getting a wide option. They are getting what they want to choose. So it's on them. If they want this material, so there are many options. There are many things that they can design by themselves, right? So they don't need to wait for the time of 1 day or 2 day while they get a design from us. They do the design, they check there, and if they are like, it's approved. It's a very easy process for them also, a very easy process for us also to get them delivered. Already we were doing exports. We are already having customers all over India, but obviously due to this website we are getting the customers even in India, which is very remote places. Even in outside India we are getting export orders from the very small countries or very small cities. Our export growth is almost double, triple in 2 years.
When you are going for any e-commerce solution, you must have every option on that, from different type of option to select different type of material, payment gateway and customization, everything. So every solution you should get on that e-commerce platform. We have seen so many online stores options, but when we have seen OnPrintShop solution, at that time we believe that we got everything what we wanted, and immediately we decided to move our store on online print shop, and as of now everything is online label store. So OnPrintShop solution is, I think, perfect solution for online printing solution.